You can do a lot by using the Department of Economic Opportunity's website. Their website is at floridajobs.org. On that page, you can log in to your Connect account. You can file a claim for reemployment assistance benefits. You can click on this link to find more information on reemployment assistance. And from that page, click the tab for Reemployment Assistance Resources. There you'll find a list of resources to help you with your reemployment assistance claim. You can also click the tab for Reemployment Assistance Waivers to see if there are currently any waivers. Things that might be waived include the waiting week and work search requirements. At the bottom of their website, you can subscribe to news updates and also follow DEO on social media. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.